Hi, I'm Janne Ohtonen from Add Value to Me. We help business leaders to get new ideas and to learn new techniques so that you can succeed in your business through networking with like-minded people and getting new ideas. In this video, we're going to discuss why customer experience blueprint is so important for your company to create significant business results. Let's start with why customer experience matters. Bain & Co did a research a couple of years ago. They went to over 350 companies and they asked from the leaders of the companies that, are you delivering a superior customer experience? 80% of those leaders of the companies said that yes, we are doing that. Now what Bain & Co did, they went to the customers of these companies and they asked from the customers that, are you receiving a superior customer experience? And only 8% of their customers said that yes, they are. So you can see that there's a huge delivery gap here. The leaders of the companies are thinking that we are serving our customers in a good way and providing great customer experience, and at the same time their customers are saying that no, you're not. Most of the customers are saying that. There's only few customers that are thinking that yeah, they are doing that very well. So what it tells us here is that the companies are having a self-fallacy. They're having some kind of illusion that they're delivering a great customer experience, and at the same time their customers are not agreeing with it. And this graph here actually shows it really well. On the y-axis we have Net Promoter Score from -20 to 80 points, and then we have the revenue growth from -5 to 25%. Those dark gray boxes show the leader revenue growth. So those are the revenue growth that the customer experience leaders are seeing. And then the lighter gray box is the laggard revenue growth. So that is the revenue growth the customer experience laggards are seeing. Let's take a few examples from here. For example, the airlines. It seems that the customer experience leaders are having a Net Promoter Score around 60 points, and they are seeing 17.9% revenue growth. When at the same time the airline laggards are having minus Net Promoter Score and they are having a minus revenue growth. Now, if you haven't heard about Net Promoter Score before, it is a question that how likely are you going to recommend our business for your colleagues and friends? So basically what it asks from the customer is that, are we providing you such a good customer experience that you would tell about that to other people? And if the answer is no, the customers are thinking that there's something missing, the customer experience is not quite right, and for that reason I'm not going to recommend you to my friends. So what this graph says here, for example retail banking, is that the customer experience for the leading bank, TD Bank, is around 20 points. And they are seeing about 20.6% revenue growth. So at the same time, the other retail banking who are lacking in the customer experience are having a Net Promoter Score around 0 points, and they are seeing only 7.5% revenue growth. So what this tells us here is that clearly those customer experience leaders are getting higher revenue growth rates. So it is actually financially very lucrative for your business to invest in the customer experience. And what customer experience blueprint helps you to do is to design that customer experience to purposefully drive the customer experience so that the customers are happy with your business and with your services and products, and they will tell about those to their friends and colleagues, and that way not only your existing customers will buy more, but also you will get easier new customers. And why does it happen? It happens because what others say does matter. If you think about it from your own perspective, how many times have you been looking for, let's say, some product, and then you're not quite sure which one to choose, and then you go online and you do some researches, you find some review pages, you read the reviews from Amazon, eBay, or from whatever review pages you use, and then based on the positive or negative reviews you read from those pages, you're going to decide whether you buy that product or not. And the same thing goes for services. If someone tells you that there's a really nice restaurant over there, you can get good food, the service is great, you should go there. So maybe next Friday evening you think about that restaurant when you are choosing where to go. And that's what the other people say also. This is a research done by Marketing Lab. And what they asked was that, has reading these positive or negative reviews influenced your buying decisions? And as you can see from the picture, about 88% of all positive and negative comments are influencing your buying decisions. So people are listening to other people. And that is why you need to make sure that your customer experience is designed so that it will support creating positive comments, and you are aware of negative comments and you react to them and you respond to them as you should, and then that way you can make sure that the people are giving positive messages about your business.